In this video, I'll show you how to disable dark mode in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you just want to simply click on your profile. Now, on the right-hand side of your profile, you want to head over to the cog for settings. And once you click on settings, it will open this tab. This will be the settings for your Asana account. From here, we want to focus on the tabs at the top, and you want to choose and click the fifth tab, which is display. Once you click on display in here, you will automatically see the option for theme. Now in here, it is set as dark, and if you click on the drop down, you can sync it with your system settings as well as set it to light. However, if you are using dark mode with your system settings, you can just simply choose the light mode option. And once you enable light mode on the right hand side, you can even change the sidebar and top bar color. As you can see, it is set to black. If you click on the drop down and set it to gray, it will automatically have a light theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.